Hey, if you've been thinking about moving to Wesley Chapel, Florida, you're going to want to stick around and watch this video as we're going to show you 3 different homes in 3 different communities, all in the $500,000 price point. And we're getting after it
right now.
If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications so you can get all the market updates from Wesley Chapel and all around the Tampa Bay area.
My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls, texts, emails every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Wesley Chapel, Florida.
Well, for those of you returning to the channel, welcome back. And for those of you new to the channel, just a little bit about us really quick. Debbie and I are true Tampanians, born and raised in the Tampa area, in Tampa. We moved out to the Wesley Chapel area many years ago.
Back in '98, I would say.
And we raised our kids out here in Wesley Chapel, and we absolutely love it out here. We are at one of Wesley Chapel's staples, which is Wiregrass Mall.
Right, it's an outdoor mall, and as you can see on this gorgeous day, it's perfect for just sitting out here, having lunch, doing a little shopping, meeting up with friends, and lots to do around here.
So just so you have an idea of where we're at, we're about 30 minutes from downtown Tampa, and we're about 35 minutes to Tampa International Airport.
Right.
In today's video, we're going to show you, like we said, 3 different homes, 3 different communities, all at the $500,000 price point.
Right, and they're all going to be in the Wesley Chapel area. So for reference, Wiregrass Mall is right on the corner of 56 and Bruce B. Downs. All the homes we're going to showcase today are going to be within, one's going to be across the street at Seven Oaks. We're going to shoot over to Quail Hollow, which might be about a 5-minute drive. And then the last home in Estancia is going to be probably just 2 miles from here. So everything's going to be very centrally located right in the heart of Wesley Chapel. But we wanted to show you what you can get, like Andre said, for under $600,000 here in the Wesley Chapel area.
And we're going to go check those out right now.
Let's go. So our first stop of homes in the Wesley Chapel area is going to be the house behind me, located within Seven Oaks community. And this is one of our top 5 communities out here in Wesley Chapel due to the developer, which is Crown Development, and they just do a simply amazing job in their communities. So the house behind me is currently on the market at $528,000. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, and it is 2,671 square feet. It does have a 2-car garage, and if you look around and see, the house has nice curb appeal, some beautiful bougainvilleas right here up front, but you could see there's some mature landscaping and mature trees, so you're gonna have some shade all around you. So let's go check it out. So as you can see, they've done a nice stone pathway right up to the front door. We've got some nice stone exterior to give it a different look. So as you come into the home, you are going to be welcomed into your formal living and dining room space. Now with this home, all bedrooms are going to be upstairs, so we're not going to have any bedrooms down. We have I would call this a flex space. If you wanted to add doors and make this a home office, you could. If you simply wanted to have it as a game room or a formal dining room, you could as well. But really and truly, your formal dining would go right here in this space. And you could put some couches, maybe a piano, something else off to the side. This would be your family room. Great room that is open to the kitchen. Now, as you can see, this kitchen is nicely just wide and open, so you could actually even put a breakfast table, or if you wanted to add an island to this home, you could do that as well. Dark wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a beautiful, nice stone top. Now, also located down here on the first level, just off of the garage, we do have a full bathroom. Perfect for your guests to use. And it also has a shower tub combo, so that's located down here on the first level. All right, let's head upstairs and see those bedrooms. So right at the top of the stairs to your right, we are going to have the primary suite. Nice large suite with some tray ceilings and a closet that I would probably fight for. This is a huge walk-in closet. You can see they've done shelving all the way around, but nice and wide. There will be no fighting in here for sure. You have a primary ensuite, which features a shower tub combo, and it looks like they've done some travertine on the floors. And coming off of the master, we are going to have a full bath upstairs. Also, again, they've got travertine on the floors and halfway up on the wall. Again, a shower tub combo. Directly across from that's going to be bedroom number 2. Nicely sized, has a very deep walk-in closet. Like I said, nice and deep as well. Let's head over to bedroom number 3. I would say it's pretty spacious as well, pretty much like the other bedroom. Nice, deep walk-in closet. And we are gonna have the laundry room located upstairs. So this is gonna house your washer and dryer. And there's also room for a folding table with some upper cabinets. And bedroom number 4. This closet actually seems like it's a little bit deeper. So the closets keep getting bigger, and I would say all the rooms are just about the same. So again, this is Seven Oaks. This is currently on the market, listed at $528,000. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just under 2,700 square feet. So our second home here in Wesley Chapel is just behind the Groves, which is over by the Crates off of 54. So this property is rather unique, but if you are looking for something that you can house your RV right there, a boat, jet skis, 4-wheelers, this is the property for you. Wesley Chapel's pretty much made of a lot of master plan communities, but you can find some acreage off the beaten path. So this home behind me, it was built in 1988. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is just under 2,000 square feet and it sits on 1.66 of an acre. So you've got room to roam, you've got acreage for your kids to just drive 4-wheelers around, some dogs, what have you. A nice, really picture perfect property. So let's go out and see this home. It's currently on the market right now at $554,000. And as soon as you come into this home, you're gonna notice that it's an older home. It doesn't have that open floor plan like all the modern homes do right now. Again, this was built in 1988, so a little compartmentalized. Right up front, I'm gonna call this the formal dining room. It's got a section if you wanted to do a nice chandelier and put your formal dining table down, you would have that option. You've got a kitchen where a lot of these houses in the 70s and 80s have these drop-down cabinets, but you can see that they've redone everything in a nice quartz countertop, white shaker cabinets. You've got stainless steel appliances and a nice size pantry. Door right there is going to lead out to your garage. You can see it's a nice, nicely sized garage. You've got your water heater up on a ledge, so that's perfect. So this will definitely stop the cars and keep me from running into the water heater. So coming back out to the middle of the home, you have room right here to put a nice little breakfast table. So you could have a breakfast nook with sliders that go out to the patio. This would be your gathering room, so I'm going to call it a family room. It's definitely nice and cozy, lots of natural sunlight coming through those sliders. And tucked off of this corner, you've got what I would call a bonus. You could easily put gaming tables in here, ping pong, billiards, or if you wanted to make it a guest suite, there is a half bath located here as well and a small closet. So this would be a perfect room even if you had it for a mother-in-law. So let's go upstairs and check out rooms. So we have 3 bedrooms up here. This is going to be bedroom number 1. And it's just going to be a secondary room. We've got closet space in here. Bedroom number 2, definitely similarly sized, same closet setup. We do have a full bath right here that has a full shower tub combo. And then this is going to be the primary suite. And it has gorgeous sliders that look out over the pool. So you can get that nice fresh breeze. And it also has an updated ensuite here with quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, and a walk-in shower. Well, let's go downstairs and check out that pool. So here in Quail Hollow, you're going to find a lot of properties just like this one. Again, it's not a master plan community, so what does that mean? That means no CDD and no monthly HOA. So you can have a pool for yourself, you can walk around the property, and if you wanted to do a fire pit, put up a volleyball net, you're not going to have any restrictions on that. So this just goes to show you what you can also get in Wesley Chapel if you're wanting a little bit of acreage. This one happens to be 1.66 acres, and again, it's on the market for $554,000. So here we are at our last stop in Wesley Chapel. We are in a gorgeous community, actually one of my favorites. It's called Estancia, and it just gives a vibe of, I feel like more of a Colorado, like Midwest type of vibe. You're gonna get a lot of the dark blue colors, like the cinnamon color, dark greens, olives, things like that. Just a really pretty community. So this home was built in 2019. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, has 2,500 square feet, and has lots of little nooks and arches, just a lot of character to it. So on the first level, we are going to have 1 bedroom located down. So if you wanted to use it as an office or as a room for visitors, it works out conveniently because you do have a room right here, a full restroom with a walk-in shower. So even if you had like that in-law that's staying with you for a while that didn't want to go upstairs, perfect, because you can use this room and that bathroom right there. We have a open to the 2nd story foyer, so looks over the loft, beautiful openness, tall ceilings, room for a nicely sized dining table. And then you have all this room right here as your living space. TV can go on this wall, great views of the pond, and babe, look at that alligator right back there starting to go across the pond. So yes, it is Florida and we do get alligators, but if you just leave them alone, don't feed them, stay away from them, you'll be okay. So you've got your granite countertops looking over your family room. You've got nice stainless steel cabinets, door on your pantry with nice wooden shelves. So that's a plus because I know how those wire shelves are when things fall between them. So let's go upstairs, check out the other 3 bedrooms on the 2nd level. So once you get up to the 2nd level, you're going to notice, like I said, you can look over to the 1st floor and it just has a really nice wow factor. So up here on the 2nd level, when you come in to the right, you are going to have laundry room down at the end. That's going to house your washer and dryer. We're going to have bedroom number 2. So this is going to be 1 downstairs. This one's up. You've got doors on your closets. I love these. They have the little roller balls on the top so you can make them tight, but you don't have to worry about them coming off tracks. AC handlers up here as well. We have a full bathroom, and if you wanted to have somebody brushing their teeth, washing their face, they can here, and you can close off that shower area. also where the commode is, so pretty private. This is going to be bedroom number 3. Similar in size as the other. Different levels here on storage for this closet. We're going to go down this hall where it opens up into an amazing loft area, again, that looks over that first floor. So up here, again, room for anything, TVs, media center, gaming tables. It's just a really, really nice space. And tucked back in the corner, we do have the primary, and a nicely spaced one it is too. You can see you've got lots of natural light coming through here. I don't see Mr. Gator anymore, but lots of sunshine coming through. You've got the tray ceilings here and your primary ensuite. We've got granite in here, very long countertop, double vanity sinks. You have a walk-in shower and walk-in closet. And honestly, there could be a party in the shower. It's huge. And right here, you also have your private water closet there. So again, this is located in Estancia. The house is built in 2019. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, currently on the market at $589,000.
And there you have it, 3 different homes in Wesley Chapel with a special guest appearance.
I know, I think we literally just lost about half of our viewers. But this is Florida, and that is something that you just have to be conscious of and use your brains. We lived on a ski lake for about 15 years and
never had a problem.
Never had a problem. I have literally caught some on a fishing line and they've snapped the line and gotten right off. I used to paddleboard almost daily. And again, it's just using common sense. Yeah. You don't stand next to the water and walk your dog and say, "Hi, Mr. Gator."
And give him food.
Exactly.
But anyways, 3 different homes, all under $600,000,
yep.
All in Wesley Chapel, and kind of like the what I like to say, the beginning part of Wesley Chapel, all in the...
Yeah, close to the heart, actually. Right. Even the one that was 1.66 acres was not even 2 miles from the crate. So you're still close by to shopping, retail, malls, everything, doctor's offices, hospitals, all within just a few minutes.
So Wesley Chapel continues to grow, offers new construction and offers resales, of course. We're going into Zephyr Hills, we're going into Day City, we're going into Land O'Lakes.
Yep.
So if you're looking to make that move into the area, make sure, if you found value in this video, make sure you like and subscribe and tap that bell for notifications. We put out the videos, we try to do it weekly, and we would love to help you make that smooth move.
We hope to see you around town. Bye now.